Amber Heard is switching up her legal team to lead her appeal to overturn the defamation suit she lost against ex-husband Johnny Depp. A spokesperson for the 36-year-old announced on Monday that Heard hired David L. Axelrod and J. Ward Brown, with Ben Rottenborn continuing as co-counsel. Elaine Charlson Bredehoft, who represented the actress during the 6-week defamation trial, is stepping down. Quote, "We welcome the opportunity to represent Ms. Heard in this appeal, as it is a case with important First Amendment implications for every American. We're confident that the appellate court will apply the law properly without defense to popularity, reverse the judgment against Ms. Heard, and reaffirm the fundamental principles of freedom of speech," Heard's new lawyers said in a statement. Back in June, a jury sided with Johnny Depp's claims that his ex-wife had defamed him in a 2018 Washington Post op-ed in which she described herself as a survivor of domestic abuse, but did not mention Depp by name. The finalized verdict stated that Depp will be awarded $10 million in compensatory damages. At the time, the jury also awarded him $5 million in punitive damages, but that amount was reduced by the judge to $350,000, the state of Virginia's statutory cap. Heard was also awarded $2 million in damages after the jury found that one of the statements Depp's former attorney, Adam Wildman, made to the Daily Mail was defamatory to her. Depp's legal team objected to that judgment. The initial proceedings were televised and live-streamed, dominating headlines with several standout moments. One of Depp's lawyers, Camille Vasquez, was the talk of social media for her courtroom approach, and she also became an inspiration for young girls everywhere. In her first one-on-one TV interview since the verdict, Camille talked exclusively with Access Hollywood's Mario Lopez and got personal when recalling a touching story about a mother who drove her daughter to the trial so she could watch the powerhouse attorney at work.
I remember grabbing my daughter and saying, "See, Gia? See, then he goes, that you can be that girl right there that's on TV." But not just for other young Latinos, for other young girls in general. It's got to be very inspirational.
Absolutely. I was in trial, and I had a mother drive her to watch the trial. During one of the breaks, she stopped me and she made me cry because she said, "I took my daughter out of school. It was important enough because I wanted her to meet you." And, you know, she said there aren't role models out there, young, female, Hispanic role models for her to look up to, and you've been that for her. So thank you. And I was really touched by that. And I don't know how it happened, but other than I was just doing my job.